This video is the final part of our tutorial to help you build an AI softphone in C#. In this video, we go over all the steps previously explained to put the solution together. We use the Ozeki VoIP SIP SDK to register the softphone to the PBX, answer calls, transcribe speech with Whisper, and respond using AI with a large language model. Why do we need an AI softphone? An AI softphone turns traditional SIP calls into intelligent, fully automated conversations that can understand natural speech, transcribe what the caller says, generate a meaningful answer using an AI chat model, and play it back as voice during the call. How does this solution work? The application acts like an automated phone assistant that records the caller's utterance, sends it to Whisper for transcription, forwards the text to an AI model, and returns the generated answer as synthesized speech. The softphone uses several key objects. iSoftphone creates and manages the software phone. iPhone line represents the SIP phone line for PBX registration. iPhone call represents the active call. Phone call audio sender sends audio into the call. Phone call audio receiver receives remote audio. Media connector connects media components together. VAD filter detects when the remote caller is speaking. Wave stream recorder records each utterance to a wave file. Text-to-speech generates spoken AI responses. MSS Speech Platform TTS provides the Microsoft Speech Platform TTS engine. HTTP client handles HTTP requests to Whisper and the AI endpoint. And timer detects the end of each utterance based on silence. To build the solution, create a new console application in Visual Studio, add a reference to the Ozeki VoIP SIP SDK, and place the example logic into your main source file. The original Ozeki tutorial also starts with creating a console application and adding the required SDK reference before explaining the code in detail. To register to a PBX, create a SIP account object with your credentials and create a phone line from it. Then register the line on the softphone. SIP registration is essential because it tells the PBX where to reach your phone, ensuring that incoming calls can be delivered even when your network address changes. The main AI pipeline is implemented in the ProcessUtteranceAsync method, which sends the recorded audio to Whisper, forwards the transcription to the AI model, and plays the response back into the call using text-to-speech. A try finally block ensures the temporary audio file is deleted after processing, even if an exception occurs, making the pipeline robust and reliable. What is a Whisper HTTP request PDU? It is the HTTP message the softphone sends to the Whisper server, carrying the recorded WAV file and model name as a multi-part form data post request, representing the start of a speech-to-text operation. What is a Whisper HTTP response PDU? It is the HTTP message the Whisper server returns after processing the audio, containing a JSON body with the recognized transcription text that confirms the speech-to-text operation completed successfully. The AI call flow begins by creating the softphone and registering the SIP account to the PBX, then initializes the media sender, media receiver, media connector, and the text-to-speech engine, waits for an incoming call and answers it automatically, detects voice activity with the VAD filter to record the caller's utterance into a temporary WAV file, sends the audio to Whisper for transcription, forwards the recognized text to the AI model, and finally converts the AI response to speech and plays it back into the call.
Where is Budapest?
Budapest is the capital of Hungary, located in Central Europe.
How far Budapest is from London?
It's about 890 miles as the crow flies, or roughly a 2.5-hour flight if you're flying.
In this video, you learned how to build an AI softphone in C# using the Ozeki VoIP SIP SDK with Whisper speech-to-text and an AI large language model. We covered why an AI softphone is needed, how the solution works, and what are the key components necessary to build such a solution. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to help us create more useful content.